My name is Michael Emery. I am the owner and creative lead for Unique Soapstone Experiences. It's really about helping people to disconnect from our crazy busy world and then create something real, something tangible with their own hands. You shape a pre-cut piece of stone. You can round your edges, you can keep them very rigid and very rough. You can put a lot of detail in it, or you can keep it abstract. The end result is whatever you create. People being able to have the safe space to tap into that creativity and go for a journey. When you're a solopreneur, you're the accountant, you're the CEO, you're doing all these roles. And I don't like all those roles. Business Link Alberta helped me to navigate that whole maze. The advisors were people that had vast amount of experience. Business Link Alberta and the digital marketing plan were such a key part in me stabilizing my social media web presence. They could pull from various tools, various platforms to provide data that helps you to create informed decisions. Working with a Business Link Alberta strategist was empowering. If you're new to the small business world, there will be hard times. Don't be afraid to look at yourself, and don't be afraid to be honest about who you are and what you can do. And when you connect with Business Link Alberta, they provide you with knowledge and support that you need. Now I have a much clearer vision.